Hey, Mom.
Hey, Ben. Guess who got arrested?
Who?
Kevin Summerland.
Who?
Calvin Sonogram.
Oh, do you mean Kiefer Sutherland?
Yes, that's it.
Moms, they love us and they take care of us. But one thing they can't do is remember celebrities' names. Now you don't have to waste hours a day trying to decipher which celebrity your mother is referring to. With the new Mom Celebrity Translator, simply enter the name as pronounced by your mother.
Kite Carbonell.
Then enter whatever vague information your mother knows about this person.
She's on TV and she's crazy.
And seconds later, you'll have the translation.
Oh, Kim Kardashian. Yeah, she's crazy.
Manny, who do you think is cuter, Rabbi Ronaldo or Champ Crawdaddy?
Oh, you mean Ryan Reynolds or Chase Crawford? Yeah, neither. I like Jake Gyllenhaal.
Who?
It even works backwards.
Sorry, Joe Geronimo.
I love Joe Geronimo. He was so good in Breakdance Fountain.
And the Mom Celebrity Translator even comes with audio playback, so moms can hear the right pronunciation.
Keith Ragu.
Keanu Reeves.
I said.
The Mom Celebrity Translator. Look for it wherever mom products are sold. So, Ann Taylor,